Hi, I'm Tibor from Meta-Inf, a Platinum Marketplace partner from Hungary. CodeGuys has always been a good opportunity to accelerate innovation, and this year is no exception at all. What we have brought to CodeGuys 2022 is an app which integrates the Atlassian Marketplace with Jira Service Management Cloud. It is called Atlassian Marketplace Integration for Jira. The app makes data from the marketplace accessible in GSM in the context of support requests. Atlassian Marketplace data is interesting to marketplace partners who run their customer support service using GSM Cloud like us. Therefore, the target audience of the app is the growing community of marketplace partners. We believe that the quality of your customer service significantly contributes to developing the trust your customers have in your apps. Support engineers need to have a thorough understanding of every detail related to a support request in order to provide the highest quality of service to their customers. They need to be aware of not only the technical details of the issue, but the complete context of the request, including which customer submitted the request, or which product the request was about, what hosting the app is used in, like DC, cloud or server, what user tier the app is used at, who the technical contact of the customer, which region or country the customer is from, which solution partner, if any, contributed to the transaction, how long the customer has been using your apps. Let me show you how the app works in GSM. I'm in a typical customer portal where customers enter their support requests. The support teams usually request customers to provide their entitlement number. The entitlement number is crucial to access the data specific to a customer and the subscription in the marketplace. If the customers cannot provide the entitlement numbers, support agents may save it later in the request. Now I'm back to an agent view in Jira Service Management. The request shows up in one of the queues. We can see two elements in the UI within the issue. One is the Marketplace button in the top row, and the other one is a sidebar button called Atlassian Marketplace. I first open the latter one. This issue glance view loads the customer, license and partner details from the marketplace belonging to the provided entitlement number. This is useful to validate the maintenance period and check the most relevant information I just mentioned earlier. The Marketplace button retrieves the complete transaction history of the customer so that the support engineers can see the big picture, including the customer's previous purchases, their loyalty, etc. Last but not least, there is another section related to the app's functionality. Here you can see a bunch of custom fields showing marketplace data. After entering the entitlement number, our app automatically retrieves these pieces of data and stores them in custom fields. This custom field mapping opens up endless reporting opportunities and prevents manual data entry, which is not only cumbersome but error-prone too. If you want to know more details, please read through the app's documentation and try it now. It is free and will be free. This is your contribution to the community of marketplace partners. Enjoy it and give us a like or feedback.